Hello, welcome to the Scholastic Challenge. Scholastic Challenge is a quick recall academic competition for students from area high schools. My name is Jacqueline Hawkins, and I'm the Division Chair of Arts and Humanities at Elizabethtown Community and Technical College. I'm your moderator for today. Our judge is Malia Hicks, a professor of English. Even though our teams are familiar with the rules, I would like to state that although Scholastic Challenge is similar to Governor's Cup, it is a Hardin County Schools competition. Today's contestants are from Elizabethtown High School and Meade County High School. Now let's meet the team members and sponsor from Elizabethtown High School.
Peyton DeWitt is a sophomore at Elizabethtown High School. He participates in academic team, drama club, and the environmental club. He aspires to be an anthropologist when he is older. He enjoys reading philosophy, learning history, playing guitar, and more. Zainab Movanya is a senior at Elizabethtown High School. She is the daughter of Kishwar Fatima and Jawed Movanya. She has been a member of the academic team since the 4th grade. She loves to crochet, bake, and read in her free time. Her future plans include going to the University of Louisville to study economics. Landon Casey is a senior at Elizabethtown High School. He is the son of Dawn and Sean Casey. At EHS, he participates in cross-country, lacrosse, student council, and beta club. Landon has been participating in the academic team since elementary school. His future plans include going to college to study either engineering or business. Ava Addington is a junior at Elizabethtown High School. She is the daughter of Kevin and Lisa Addington. She is in Student Y, Beta Club, and Student Council, and is a dancer and tennis player. Her future plans include going to college to major in art history and museum studies. Mr. Rex Hansen, along with Mrs. Deanna Lively, coaches the Elizabethtown High School academic team. This is Mr. Hansen's 9th year as a coach for Elizabethtown High School and his 24th year in education, coaching academic team throughout his entire career. Mr. Hansen has a master's degree in mathematics and a rank 1 in secondary guidance from Western Kentucky University. Mr. Hansen has 2 children, Liz and Ben, who are both students at Elizabethtown High School.
We will now meet the team and sponsors from Meade County High School.
Riley Snyder is a junior at MCHS. She is the daughter of Kyle and Dawn Snyder. In her free time, she enjoys playing tennis. Sophia Vowles is a junior at Meade County High School. She is the daughter of Doug and Melissa Vowles. In her free time, she enjoys playing the piano and reading. Jordan Stahl is a junior at MCHS. He is the son of Jeremy and Iris Stahl. He enjoys playing soccer and tennis in his limited free time. Joseph Pinella is a senior at Meade County High School. He spends his time writing, poetry, and feeding his chess addiction. Allison Cummins has been a math teacher for MCHS for 13 years. This is her first time with the academic team. In her free time, she enjoys playing board games with her family. Pam Fouché is in her 11th year with MCHS academic team. In her free time, she enjoys camping and reading.
Coaches, you may return to your seats at this time. Contestants, remember that you may interrupt the reading of a toss-up question by buzzing in. However, if your answer is incorrect, the question will be reread in its entirety for the opposing team. Teams may confer on bonus questions, but the team captain must give the response or designate a team member to respond. Remember, the bounce back bonus will be in effect. All questions are worth 1 point, and each half is 10 minutes long. Teams, are you ready? Let's begin the first half with a toss-up question. Solve the following equation for x. The absolute value of the quantity x plus 4, closed quantity, plus 4 equals 4. The correct response is x equals -4. Toss-up question. Name the U.S. state capital located on the Hudson River.
Elizabethtown, Casey.
Albany.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. New York City lies in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. What is the name of the time zone in which Halifax, Nova Scotia lies, immediately to the east of the Eastern Standard Zone?
Central.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
I designate Joseph. Greenwich Mean Time.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Atlantic Time. Toss-up question. What do Muslims call their house of worship?
Elizabethtown, Movania.
Kaba,
That is incorrect.
Meade County, Pinella.
Mosque.
That is correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. In the word lithification, what does the prefix lith mean? That's time. Bounce back.
Earth.
That's incorrect. The correct response is stone. Toss-up question. In Greek mythology, these monsters were part bird and part woman.
Meade County, Pinella.
Siren.
That's incorrect. I'll complete the question. In Greek mythology, these monsters were part bird and part woman. By what name were they called?
Elizabethtown, Addington.
Furies,
That's also incorrect. The correct response is harpies. Toss-up question. Scientists believe that the rotation of the Earth's core is the probable cause of the Earth's magnetic field. What element is thought to make up the bulk of the Earth's core?
E-Town, Casey.
Nickel.
That's incorrect.
Meade, Stull.
Iron.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. This 19th century poet was thought to be the first American to use free verse as the rhyme scheme for his poems. His works include the poem O Captain, My Captain and the collection Leaves of Grass. Name him.
Keats.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Poe.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Walt Whitman. Toss-up question. If two legs of a right triangle are 28 units and 96 units, what is the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle? That's time. The correct response is 100 units. Toss-up question. What do astrophysicists call the explosion of a massive star?
E-Town, Casey.
Supernova.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. Which period of Western music history introduced the operas of Monteverdi, the oratorios of Handel, and the concertos of Vivaldi?
Classical.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Baroque.
That's correct. This is a toss-up question. The 10th letter of the Greek alphabet is equivalent to the 11th letter of the English alphabet. Give the 10th Greek letter. The correct response is kappa. Toss-up question. What element remains when sugars are burned?
Meade County, Stull.
Carbon.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. In geometry, a figure consisting of three segments that have three non-collinear points as their endpoints is called what?
No answer.
Bounce back.
Secant.
That's incorrect. It is a fancy definition for a triangle. Toss-up question. Give the English translation of the Spanish word nunca.
E-Town, Addington.
never,
That's correct. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. In which year did the first moon landing occur?
1969.
That's correct. Toss-up question. A googol is represented by 10 to what power?
Meade County, Snyder.
100,
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. If a substance is auriferous, what element does it contain?
Argon.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Arsenic.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is gold. Toss-up question. Which property of addition is illustrated in the following statement? The quantity -7 plus 2, close quantity, plus -4 equals -7 plus the quantity 2 plus -4, close quantity.
E-Town Casey.
Associative.
That is correct. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. Identify F. Scott Fitzgerald's novel that tells the story of Dick Diver, a brilliant and charming psychiatrist who marries one of his patients.
No answer.
Bounce back?
I designate Riley.
Tender as the night.
That is correct. This is a toss-up question. What moon orbiting Saturn is the only moon?
E-Town DeWitt.
Titan.
That's correct. This is a bonus for E-Town. This triangular bone is really 5 fused vertebrae. It forms the posterior section of the pelvis. Name it.
Coccyx.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
I designate Joseph.
Coccyx.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is the sacrum. Toss-up question. In what Charles Dickens novel do the characters of Sidney Carton, Lucy Manette, and Charles Darnay appear?
Meade County Vowels.
A Tale of Two Cities.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. Which amendment to the U.S. Constitution was ratified in 1870, giving African American men the right to vote?
14th.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
15th.
That's correct. Toss-up question. The shadow of a man 6 feet tall cast by a street lamp 10 feet behind him is 12 feet in length. How far above the ground is the lamp?
Meade County Pinella.
8 feet.
That's incorrect. The correct response is 11 feet. Toss-up question. This unit of distance is equal to 3.2616 light years.
Meade County Snyder.
Astronomical unit.
That's incorrect. I'll complete the question. This is a unit of distance equal to 3.2616 light years, or 19,174,000,000,000 miles. What is this unit?
E-Town Casey.
Speed of light.
That's incorrect. The correct response is parsec. Toss-up question. How many operas make up Richard Wagner's The Ring of the Nibelung, or Ring Cycle?
E-Town Addington.
4.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. In what South American country would you find the source of the Amazon River?
Brazil.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
I designate Riley.
Argentina.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Peru. Toss-up question. Because of Alexander the Great's great love of Greek culture and its spread throughout his empire, we use which term?
E-Town Casey.
Hellenism.
That's incorrect. I'll complete the question. Because of Alexander the Great's love of Greek culture and the spread of it throughout his empire, we use which term to describe the period of history between Alexander's death and the rise of the Roman Empire?
Meade County Snyder.
Hellenistic.
That's correct. That concludes the first half of this match of the Scholastic Challenge. At the half, the score is Elizabethtown 8, Meade County 8. During halftime, we like to learn a little bit about the high schools that our contestants represent. Here to tell us about Elizabethtown High School is Lex Bratcher.
For over 200 years, nestled in the heartland of Kentucky, Elizabethtown Independent Schools has served the educational needs of students in our district. Elizabethtown High School serves grades 9 through 12 and meets the needs of all students through a broad and varied curriculum, a wide range of co-curricular activities, innovative as well as traditional methods of teaching, and an outstanding counseling program. A charter member of the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools since 1918, EHS is the recipient of many state and national honors and is known throughout the state of Kentucky for setting a standard of excellence. Enrollment of approximately 830 students gives EHS the ability to offer smaller class sizes and affords students the opportunity for more individualized attention.
Thank you, Lex. Now to tell us about Meade County High School, here's Luke Seeley.
Meade County High School, located in Brandenburg, Kentucky, is a learning community where every student, every staff member, and every community member is valuable and actively contributes to our goal of excellence in every endeavor. MCHS's current enrollment is approximately 1,600 students with a facility and staff team of 105 members. MCHS strives to provide a rich and meaningful learning experience for our students. This experience includes a rigorous curriculum that builds both content knowledge and character, as well as a wide variety of extracurricular activities to engage in every student. To that end, MCHS offers 50 AP dual credit honors courses and over 50 co-extracurricular activities. We want every one of our graduates to have the foundation that he or she will need to be successful in today's society. The MCHS core values that we continue to live by are respect, responsibility, positivity, community, pride, and service. We at MCHS are in the business of building and cultivating our people, our future, and together we create the best Green Wave experience possible.
Welcome back to the second half of the Scholastic Challenge between Elizabethtown High School and Meade County High School. At the half, we had the following substitutions. Joining the team for E-Town High School is Philip Navarrete and Julia Miller. Teams, let's begin the second half with a toss-up question. Who was the famous captain of the HMS Endeavour?
Meade, Vowles.
Hudson.
That's incorrect.
E-Town, Casey.
Magellan.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is James Cook. Toss-up question. The Allies suffered about 250,000 casualties on the Gallipoli Peninsula in 1915 when they failed to force open the Dardanelles. In which country did this action occur?
Meade, Snyder.
Turkey.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. Walt Whitman's poem, When Lilacs Last and the Dooryard Bloomed, was written to memorialize which American leader?
Washington.
That's incorrect. Bounce back?
Lincoln.
That's correct.
I should have said that.
Toss-up question. What is the degree measure of an angle which measures 7 pi over 6 radians?
Meade, Snyder.
130.
That's incorrect.
E-Town, Casey.
120.
That's also incorrect. It's 210 degrees. Toss-up question. Identify the author of A Farewell to Arms and...
Meade, Pinella.
Ernest Hemingway.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. If you were a financial advisor, you would know the abbreviation IRA. What does IRA stand for?
No answer.
Bounce back?
Internal Revenue Association.
That's incorrect. It's Individual Retirement Account. Toss-up question. This Mexican city suffered a tremendous explosion and hundreds of fatalities from a gas leak in April 1992. It's Mexico's second largest city.
Meade, Snyder.
Guadalajara.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. Which Roman emperor credited with unifying the Roman Empire called the Council of Nicaea in 325 AD?
Augustus.
That's incorrect. Bounce back?
Julius Caesar.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Constantine. Toss-up question. What is $17 less 10%?
Meade, Stahl.
$15.30.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade. What is the only known element which has no solid phase and hence no triple point?
Mercury.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Hydrogen.
That's also incorrect. It's helium. Toss-up question. In Young Goodman Brown, a young Puritan husband has an appointment with a satanic figure to travel to a witch's Sabbath. Which 19th century American author wrote this short story?
E. Down Casey.
Hawthorne.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. Attics should be ventilated so that hot summer air may be removed by which means of heat transfer?
Convection.
That's correct. Toss-up question. Of which instrument did Itzhak Perlman become a master?
Meade Vowels.
Saxophone.
That's incorrect.
E. Down Casey.
Violin.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. 2 answers are required. There are only 2 planets in our solar system that do not have satellites. What are they?
Mercury and Venus.
That's correct. Toss-up question. The amphibian order Anura means tailless in Greek. Give the common name for this order's members who are good jumpers.
Meade Stull.
Frogs.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. What is the third person singular present tense form of the verb to be?
Was.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Is.
That's correct. Toss-up question. Which city hosted the 2018 Winter Olympic Games?
E. Down Casey.
Sochi.
That's incorrect.
Meade Snyder.
Beijing.
Say it again.
Beijing.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Pyeongchang, South Korea. Toss-up question. What is the only surviving order of oviparous mammals? The correct response is monotremes. Toss-up question. Which word derived from the French for to raise designates an embankment built alongside a river to prevent high water from flooding bordering land?
E. Down Casey.
Dam.
That's incorrect.
Meade Snyder.
Levy.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. Which German philosopher taught about a deeper reality, the thing in itself, which lurks behind appearances?
I designate Riley.
Kant.
That's correct. Toss-up question. Manganese is located just to the left of iron on the periodic table. What is the atomic number of manganese?
Meade Pinella.
25.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. The virtues of justice, temperance, prudence, and fortitude are categorized by this adjective. What is it?
No answer.
Bounce back?
Patience.
That's incorrect. The correct response is cardinal. Toss-up question. In 1948, George de Mistral of Switzerland used his imagination and a bit of frustration to invent a new fastening device, which involved the microscopic equivalent of numerous hooks and eyes. What was his invention?
Meade Vowels.
Zipper.
That's incorrect.
E. Town Miller.
Velcro.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. What term describes the achievement of equilibrium among the various parts of an architectural or artistic composition?
Symmetry.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
Balance.
That's correct.
It's close.
This is a toss-up question. What city is located between Puget Sound and Lake Washington?
Meade, Snyder,
Seattle.
That's correct. This is a bonus for Meade County. What is the result when the number 1 minus I is multiplied by the number 4 minus 3I?
7 minus 11I.
That's incorrect. Bounce back.
1 minus 7i.
That's correct. This is a toss-up question. Which British physicist discovered the neutron?
E-Town, Casey,
Rutherford.
That's incorrect. The correct response is James Chadwick. Toss-up question. Name the Texan commander at the Alamo.
E-Town, Casey,
Houston.
That's incorrect.
Meade, Snyder,
Jackson.
That's also incorrect. The correct response is Colonel William Travis. Toss-up question. When the English captured and tried Joan of Arc, she was accused of 2 crimes. Name either of the 2.
E-Town, Casey,
Heresy.
That's correct. The other one was witchcraft. This is a bonus for Elizabethtown. What is the name of Japan's sacred mountain, a volcano which last erupted in 1707?
Mount Fuji.
That's correct. Toss-up question. What is the mass of an object if its speed is 20 meters per second and its kinetic energy is 400 joules?
Meade, Stull,
20 kilograms.
That's incorrect. The correct response is 2 kilograms. At the conclusion of the second half, we have a tie, which means that this game will go into a sudden death overtime. That's 5 toss-up questions, and there's no timer for this part of the game. This is a toss-up question, teams. After King Solomon died, a southern territory became a separate kingdom and was ruled by the house of David. Identify this kingdom named after the tribe of the 4th son.
E-Town, Casey,
Judah.
That's correct. This is also a toss-up question. Windows is one example of GUI. For what does the computer-related acronym GUI stand?
Meade, Pinella,
Graphical user interface.
That's correct. This is a toss-up question. What is the shape of the Streptococcus bacterium?
Meade, Pinella,
Spiral.
That's incorrect.
E-Town, Miller,
Circle.
That is also incorrect. It's spherical or it's a ball. This is a toss-up question. Which queen of Carthage is deserted by Aeneas in Virgil's The Aeneid?
we'll call time on that.
Oh, sorry. That is Queen Dido. And this is the final toss-up of the overtime, maybe. 2 answers are required for this response. Name the first 2 organized political parties to participate in U.S. national elections.
E-Town, Miller,
Democratic, Republican, and Federalist.
That is correct. That concludes this match of the Scholastic Challenge between Elizabethtown High School and Meade County. We want to say congratulations to both teams. What an excellent match. The winner of this match is Elizabethtown with 20 and a final score for Meade County of 19.